G'day and welcome back. Today I had full intentions of doing a video on calibrating a backpack sprayer. I've realised I don't have enough time today and I want to do it right, so instead we're going to do an update on the front and back lawn, and I'm going to spray some Fertech Special FEX on here. Hopefully get it kicking along nicely and fill it in as quick as we can. Let's go have a look. So the back lawn is coming along slowly but surely. You can see what I assume is spring dead spot. Slowly but surely coming back. The rest of the lawn's not looking too bad. Oh, and the little incident we had here with the girls spraying mozzie repellent on themselves. But that's coming back pretty quickly as well. These things happen. Edges are starting to look good. Still a bit how you doing over here because of the shade. But nevertheless, won't be long now. I love the shadow from the palms on the lawn. They look alright, I reckon. Don't like pruning them though. Saying that, something I've got to do very soon. Let's go have a look at the front lawn. Very happy with the progress on this so far. It's come along pretty quickly in the shaded area. I definitely didn't get as carried away this year scarifying it. It doesn't need it because it's so shaded. It doesn't get as thatchy. Worked out nicely. Still a bit how you doing over here, but come back in good time. And for the most of it, it's not looking too bad. I think it's going to react pretty well to a Liquid Fert, newest edition. A hose link for the front yard. I didn't get a new hose reel because I still had a good hose. It's probably frowned upon. Work on getting one of them in the near future. Yeah, this doesn't grow back as quick due to all the yuccas, which will be going very shortly. If you've got some ideas or something I should do in here, let me know. I want to keep it fairly simple, but I'm going to strip it out and start again. So open to other people's ideas. All the agapanthus getting ready to flower. They always look good when they flower. They never fail to surprise me. Like, you come out tomorrow and they'll be 100 mil longer. It just grows so quick. Got some nice edges happening. Well, most of it. Not sure what happened there. Another flower. It's looking good. Cannot wait. All right, let's go back at the back and get some Liquid Fert on here. All right, I need to refresh my memory. We got 200 mils to 400 milliliters per 100 square meters. Now I've written this on the front, so I don't have to do the math every time. At a maximum, it's 280 milliliters per 70 square meters, which my front lawn's 70, my back lawn's 70, my front lawn's 70. Total of 140. So I reckon we'll just go 500 mils, go on the higher end, and see how we go. Now I need to change that nozzle because I remember that is the wrong one. Make sure your little filter and that's clean in here before it's not too bad. Send down the bottom. Don't want that setting. I generally put about 8 litres in here. Most of it in. Chuck the jungle juice in there. Now, before I forget, change that nozzle over. A little bit more. Now, I like to crack this off just to get it bleeding. Turn it on. So I hear the sound change and I know it's primed. And I poke it in here just to get it coming through the line. That generally does it. Here's my new hose link sprinkler. I made it obviously. So wrapped with it. You'll have to wait till next week's video to have a look at that. All right, let's go spray it. All right, we're a bit backwards when I do this. I like to go side on, so I just don't like to walk in it, especially if it's liquid iron or something and I don't want to step in it and walk on the pavers, and so I generally just go side on. It's not a big area, it doesn't take long, save me walking through it, and it works for me, so that's how I do it. So we've done half of it and we're down to 5 litres. We've got plenty to do the front lawn. Still got 2 litres left, a bit over. Must be a little bit out of whack after winter. Oh well, we'll do that calibrating video and we should be able to get it on the money. I reckon that's gonna react quite nicely in the next couple of weeks. Well, I'm hoping so. Before we go, we've got a couple of stickers for the sticker swap. Let's go have a look. All right, these ones were sent to us all the way from New Hampshire in the United States. It's got a couple here. I reckon we'll find a spot for these two. I love it when they do this. How much easier does that make it? That's a big sticker. Good thing I like a beer. Be sure to check them out on socials. All right, I'm looking forward to seeing how this lawn reacts in the next few days. Unfortunately, I won't be here because I'll be at work, but I'm sure Janelle will share plenty of pictures on Facebook and Instagram. Keep us all updated. Sorry it was a bit of a short video. It's about all I had time for today, but there is a video next week on the sprinkler that I made for my hose link. Looking forward for that video to drop. Yeah, it was a good little build. I had a lot of fun. And it came up bloody awesome. So other than that, until next time, we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, legends.